Hello, welcome to TechWebDots. So today I will discuss quickly what are the Docker use cases and benefits. And this is part of the Docker for Business series, and I strongly suggest you to watch the previously recorded sessions and the playlist link given in the description of this video. So let's go through quickly without wasting time. So in terms of use cases, we know the how a structure look like of Docker container. We have a hardware, operating system, then we have container runtime, or we can say the Docker layer, and we are having an app with all the dependencies. So majorly use cases of Docker containers in microservices architecture. Docker is widely used for building and deploying microservices architecture, and it fueled actually the rise of microservice architecture. Continuous integration and continuous delivery. Docker streamlines CI/CD pipeline by providing consistent environment for building, testing, and deploying application. Third one, Docker DevOps. Docker facilitates collaboration between development and operations team by standardizing application environments. It has become a fundamental tool in modern DevOps practice. The open source project fostered a large and active community, meaning if you face any of the issue in any of the scenario with any type of the application while making container, so you can leverage this community support. Docker has a huge influence on the cloud native computing. It means everything is happening through the cloud. So these all are the use cases. These are also closely gelled up with the benefits, but let's go through them. We already know, we discussed in previous sessions how the traditional deployment look like, the hardware, operating system, and then our application. When in the era of virtual machines, deployment on VM looks like hardware, operating system, then we have a hypervisor, then virtual machines on top of it according to our need, and then we have the application. But in the containerization world, we have hardware, operating system, then container runtime, which is our Docker layer, and then app on it. So core benefits are portability. Docker containers can run consistently across various environments, from local development machines to cloud servers. Efficiency. Containers use fewer resources than traditional virtual machines, allowing for higher density and better utilization of hardware. Faster deployment. Docker simplifies the process of packaging and deploying application, enabling faster release cycle. Means once your Docker file is ready, you can create the images and you can use that image multiple times. It means create once, use multiple times anywhere. Scalability. Docker makes it easy to scale application by running multiple container instances, and there are several tools in the market which works on Docker orchestration in the scalability area. We will talk about Docker Swarm, Docker Compose, Kubernetes, Meos, and there are many more. Consistency. Docker helps to ensure that application run the same way in all environments. In the next section, we will discuss what are the difference between Docker container and virtual machine.